Hi friends, welcome back to our cooking voyage. Today's recipe is mutton biryani. To make a perfect biryani, we need a tenderized meat and cook it the right way on a low flame. Today I shared with you guys my style of making mutton biryani. So without any further delay, let's take a look at the ingredients required for making mutton biryani. I have taken 1 lb of mutton. First I am going to wash it with the plain water. Rinse and drain the water. Add teaspoon of salt and teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix together and wash it once again. I am marinating a mutton with a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of curd, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix them together. Marination helps to tenderize the meat, so do not skip this process. Keep it aside and rest the mutton for half an hour. It's been half an hour. Now cook the mutton in a pressure cooker. Heat a pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the spices one by one. I have taken 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 star anise, 1 cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, 1 Marathi moggu, small piece of Javitri, and finally 4 cloves. Once the spices are fried, add 2 chopped garlic, 4 sliced green chilies, saute for a couple of minutes. Now take a handful of onions, add it to the fried spices and saute it once. Followed by I am adding 2 to 3 pieces of tomatoes. I don't want the onion and tomatoes to be fully cooked. Once the onion and tomatoes are slightly cooked, add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until the oil oozes out. You can see the ginger and garlic paste are fried nicely. Now let's add in the pieces of marinated mutton into the pressure cooker. Mix it together. To spice it up, I am going to add 1 teaspoon of Biryani Masala, followed by a half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now mix the spice masala to the mutton pieces. Once the masalas are mixed, add 2 cups of water and allow it to cook with the open lid for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and you can see the mutton has changed to a light brown color. Now add few mint leaves and coriander leaves. Check for the salt at this stage. Adjust according to your preference. Give it a mix. Cover the pressure cooker and cook until we hear 4 whistles and turn off the flame. In the meantime, I am going to prepare coconut milk. For that we need 1/4 cup of coconut, 1 small piece ginger. Adding coconut milk will give nice aroma and enhance the taste. Now the gravy is ready and you can see the mutton is perfectly cooked. Transfer the mutton gravy to another bowl and keep it aside. Heat a pressure cooker and add 4 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, finally adding 8 to 10 pieces of cashews. Once the cashews are fried, adding 4 green chilies and give it a stir. Now I am adding thinly sliced onions and saute it until it turns light golden brown. Now that the onions are cooked, I am adding 1 chopped tomato and cook the tomatoes until it gets mashed with the onions. Once the tomatoes are mashed, I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Saute until the raw smell goes away for a couple of minutes. Once done, I am adding cooked mutton into the pressure cooker, followed by I am adding 1.5 cups of soaked rice and gently mix the rice into the masala. For 1.5 cup rice, I am adding 2 cups of mutton stew and 1 cup of coconut milk. Adjust salt according to your preference. Now give it a mix. Wait for the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add half a cup of coriander leaves, half a cup of mint leaves. Give it a stir. Now add half a teaspoon garam masala and finally squeeze half a lemon. Now cover the pressure cooker and switch the flame to low and leave it for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, turn off the flame and allow the pressure to release naturally. Now the yummy biryani is ready to serve. You can serve this with raita or any gravy of your choice. Try this recipe at your home. Always remember to subscribe for more interesting recipes. If you like, give a thumbs up, share and leave your comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.